Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video I'll show you on how you can unbind your keys in FiveM. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to head over to your game right here, and let's say that the key that we want to unbind is going to be the H key. From there you then want to open up your console menu. Basically in most cases it's going to be the tilde key right under your escape button. So you will then have to press this specific key right here, and then your debug console will then open. Now in my case I have my cheat code open right here, but in your versions it will then show up above in this section. So inside this page, to unbind your key, you just want to type unbind keyboard, and then you want to put this to symbols, and then in the middle of it you want to put the key that you want to unbind. Once again, in our case it's going to be the H key. Hit on the enter button, and from there you have successfully unbind your key in FiveM. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.